Another hotel. Hi. Studio. Surstay Studio. Excuse me, is this hotel or studio?
Yeah, studio hotel.
Studio hotel. Okay. Okay, I will ask how much. Rates. I want to see. I want to show to you rates. Rates. Good afternoon. Can I see rates?
Rates, sir?
Rates.
Our rates, sir?
Yes.
We have
This is one night deluxe 5-2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, we haven't going promo, sir. This one, it's 2020.
2026 at nights.
But this is sorry.
Okay.
3 to...
So this is cheapest room, this one, 2000.
Under what name?
Can I see this room if available?
Yung ano, get po. Ano po, Sam? Kayo po yung get. Si Sam. Sam, ano po? Pwede na lang po siyang tawagan.
We have also restaurant.
Second floor.
Second floor. So this is cheapest room with daily rates.
The daily rates actually is 3,000 pesos.
3,000.
But then we haven't going promo this month. It's only 2026.
Okay.
Yeah, because the year is 2026, right?
Okay. No, I want to see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Going to second.
Only 3 floors.
Yes.
But now many people or not? Or empty?
We are fully booked now.
Fully booked already?
But we still have one room left.
But this is available room. Okay. Oh, it's good.
All our rooms have kitchen.
Have kitchen. Kitchen have.
You can cook also.
Oh, good. Okay. CR. Is this window or not? Window. Window also. Good. Split system. Safety box available? Safety. Okay, safety box have also. TV. Wi-Fi also have.
Yes, we have
Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi. We also have many things like pool, gym,
Ah.
fitness center.
Fitness center. So if pay for room, you can use fitness center for
we
free.
have access, yes.
Access, okay. So this is price 2000.
26.
26 one
Per night.
per night.
Per night. It's
per night.
2026 pesos.
2026 peso.
Oh, one more.
But monthly rate cheaper.
We don't have that.
Don't have monthly
Yes,
rate.
if you'd like to go to monthly rate, you can check online, sir.
But online.
Because cheaper online.
Online cheaper.
Sometimes they offer like 1 night per night, so I think that's a better big deal.
Online website or booking or something.
Online website like Agoda. Those online
Agoda.
travel agents.
But personal website of this hotel don't have.
We
Only
have online website, but then we're going to offer the same rates.
same rates. So better find Agoda or booking cheaper.
Yes.
Okay.
Agoda, I think the cheapest one is
Cheapest.
Agoda.
Okay. But if someone want to book in advance, so can message to a hotel because or only booking for better.
We can do advance.
Do you have name card?
Yes, sure. Ano daw? Ano ba? Yes po. Hello po. Good afternoon. For check-in. Yeah, under what date also?
This one. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. It's good location. It's near Bunny Burger,